Consider the following bromides. Again, correct order of SN1 reactivity has to be seen. So if this carbon-bromine bond breaks, then there is positive charge on this carbon. Now this positively charged carbon is bonded to two other carbons, so it is a secondary carbocation. Again carbon-bromine bond breaks, positive charge on carbon. This is bonded to two other carbons, this is also secondary carbocation, but in this case the positive charge is delocalized due to the presence of pi bond in conjugation with the positive charge center. So this pi bond will move here and the positive charge is delocalized on this carbon. In case of the compound B, allylic carbocation is formed. And due to the delocalization of the positive charge, this compound B is more reactive towards SN1 reaction. Now here when carbon-bromine bond breaks, primary carbocation is formed. So primary is less reactive than the secondary. So the least reactive is A, and out of B and C, compound B is more reactive than compound C, and out of A and C, C is more reactive than A because C is the secondary carbocation, this is the primary. B is more reactive than C because allylic carbocation is formed and it is stabilized due to the delocalization of the positive charge on the benzene ring. So the correct order of reactivity is B more reactive than C, C more reactive than A. So option 1 is the correct option.